He'll be okay. It's all the same deal. Come on.
The flowers.
Honest. We'll miss you, love. Cog Tavern as quick as you can.
Where the fuck's the urn?
Nick that.
Up and away.
Brent? Good day, Brent. An officer is down. All hands to the pub, Brent. Dangerous and
Inspector, this white fast.
Yeah, I heard. It's together.
Brent? What wasn't I told?
I'm trying to tell you for the past hour.
The dead policewoman has been identified as a credit to her force. She was shot at point.
Well, I said all along, it's about myself.
Thanks. You know me?
Who doesn't? Last year, Campbell to a pulp. What makes you think you're a legend?
I'm too fucking Becks.
Too fucking right.
Do I look like I carry a pencil?
I'm Porter Nash. Superintendent Brown said to talk.
Due to the recent death, therefore promoting Sergeant Porter Nash.
Yes. Shouldn't we promote one of our own?
Dear Circus. Sergeant Nash comes of professionalism, hitherto lacking in our...
You look like shit.
Have you got any beers or anything? Look. Well, me, Mikey and Bowles reckon I think we killed someone. So I'm moving.
Okay, I'll look into it. You're on your own. Yeah? In fact, I'll come round. Me round here, do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Just need to have a quick chat.
So what can I do for you?
That boy, I need to get him off the hook. The kid.
Is it Craig Stokes?
Got Dunlop.
I read your stuff in the...
Hang on. All right, fire away. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. Is that better?
I detest...
Wrong start, didn't we? So, let's try again now.
Reporting from inside the police killings.
Where are you on the food chain, anyway? You got any clout famous?
Thing. What? It's something, not something. Well, I've got a question, yeah? What would you do...
8.
8 more coppers to kill. Bye.
Using Nancy as they love, all right? Some sick fuck is killing. I know what you meant. So I don't get to be